So I'm driving around in my new Raptor, and I kind of noticed a few little subtle things like the SVT on my cluster and on my aux switches, and a little bit of a red band at the top of my steering wheel. It got me thinking, maybe I should do something red too. So I came up with this idea. Make sure you stay to the end of this video because I want you guys to tell me the end result, if it's a good, bad, or do more. So wait to the end, see the final result, then judge. Here we go. How hard can it be? Just a little bit of fun. I wanted to make Ford bright red. Now, I'm gonna vinyl wrap this, but I think I'm just gonna start with the R. Why not? I mean, I don't know. Just gotta start somewhere. So I gotta clean this thing up. How hard can it be? I went out and bought Vivid Ultra Racing Red self-adhesive, right? Yeah, self-adhesive, 1.5 by 5 feet. Now I did that so that I could cover this, but I'm just gonna start with the R. And the first thing I'm gonna do is clean it with an IPA mix, make sure I get all the bugs off, do all that. Here's some of my tools, some heat. If you watch this video, you'll see that I already did this on the Mercedes. I did the runners right there because those were sun damaged. So it shouldn't be too hard. Just got to start by cleaning it up. I measured the letters. It's not about 9.5 by 3.5. What I then did was cut a piece that's 10.5 by 4.5, an extra 1/2 inch on each side for a margin of error. I'm going to pull the backing off, lay this on, and then heat it up, make sure it's really adhered, and we'll be good to trim it off and kind of see how it shows up. I've never done this before, so let's try it. This is how it is after I took off this backing. I heated it, or I didn't heat it up yet, but I adhered it right here. This is just all the extra that's going to be cut out, and I still have the front film on it. So this is how it is. I stretched it to fit the way I want it to. Now I'm going to heat it up and really put it on, and hopefully the corners, will shrink up a little bit so that after you cut it and heat it, it doesn't pull back a little bit. So let's give it a shot. I got my nifty Harbor Freight heat gun. I'm just going to start heating it up a little bit and see what happens. Maybe should have taken the film off the front first. We'll see. I just put a fresh blade into this. I'm hoping that that's going to be sharp enough to edge around the outside here. So I want to try to get as clean a cut as possible right on the edge. I don't want it to fold over the top. So I'm going to sit here and work at this a little bit. Here's the final product. Actually, no, this is version 1. I don't like what happened. Up close, you can see it's not good. Okay, but this backing up, you can kind of see what I'm going for, and I actually love the color. I learned along the way. I was trying to go very easy right along the top here, and my hand would, it would slide down a little bit. But I found that if you can do it this way, you get a very nice clean edge. So clearly I didn't do it here, or anything else. So this is coming off, and I learned my lesson. Hopefully you guys will learn here too. And well, here goes version 2. After doing it the second time, using that method of just going around the outside, it is 100% better. Well, I should say 90% better. There are still a few areas I'm not happy with. I could mess with this a lot more, but really this came out actually really cool. I love the color. I'm debating if I do all of it, just leave the R, or actually just take it off. I really just wanted to do it as a passion project. But I don't know. You tell me.